Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive online multiplayer, which is exclusively possible through the BeamNG mod. This fantastic modification opens up a whole new world of shared driving experiences, allowing you to connect with friends and other players. Remember, you will need a legitimate copy of BeamNG Drive, typically purchased through Steam, for BeamNG to function correctly. It's the only way to enjoy multiplayer in this incredible soft-body physics simulator. To get started, your first step is to download the BeamNG client. Head over to the official BeamNG website where you will find the download section. Make sure to select the installer that matches your computer's operating system, usually Windows. Once the download is complete, simply run the installer. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and the client will integrate itself with your BeamNG Drive game files, typically taking only a few minutes. With BeamNG installed, you will now launch BeamNG Drive through the dedicated BeamNG launcher shortcut on your desktop. Once the game loads, you will notice a brand new multiplayer button on the main menu. Clicking this will open the server browser, displaying a list of active multiplayer sessions. You have the flexibility to join as a guest, or for a more personalized experience, you can log in using an account created on the BeamNG forums, which offers additional features. Once in the server browser, you can sort through various games, looking for those with low ping and a good number of players for the best experience. Many servers feature custom content like unique maps and vehicles, which will automatically download when you connect. For a more controlled environment, you can even host your own private server, allowing you and your friends to enjoy exclusive sessions. Get ready to experience BeamNG Drive's incredible physics with others, creating unforgettable moments of chaos and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.